Best YouTube app for thumbnails. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can figure out the best YouTube application for your thumbnails, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to basically go ahead and then find out which app is best for the thumbnails, now I personally use Canva. If you use any other sort of application, that's perfectly fine. I use Canva because it has almost all the options, from adding a logo and changing the colors, adding text, adding whatever else it is that you prefer here. You should be able to go ahead and then log into your Canva account, and once you log into your Canva account, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically find those out, and this way you should be able to figure out the best app. Now, in my case and in my personal opinion, it's just this little application here. In fact, even for this very own channel, I basically use the thumbnails from here, as you would be able to find it, and this way you should be able to figure out the best YouTube application for thumbnails. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.